Hello there and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you Android 13 beta 1 bugs I've seen so far on my Pixel 6 device. So if you're new here, just give this video a thumbs up and let's check out this video. So it's been a week or less or probably more since we had an Android 13 beta 1 and I saw this bug on my phone that is making my phone screen turn into green, and it's as if Hawk or Shrek has actually got hold of the phone and they're using it actually. And yeah, that's just by the way. But the reason why I'm just sharing this to you is if probably you have any mindset or you're probably thinking of Android 13 beta 1 being not baggy, I'm trying to tell you that you should hold on if in case you've not yet installed it on your daily driver or your device. If you have a spare phone, you think maybe you want to just try this out, it's acceptable, you can just install it and then use it. But aside that, I wouldn't really advise you to just install it on a phone you use on a daily basis. So I actually installed this on my device because I wanted to make a video for you guys and then just know how this is going and then everything in between for you guys to just know. But it turned out to just have a big bug right here. And not only this one, I actually had this phone restarting by itself a couple of times without me just even touching the phone. I'll just leave the phone there and then it will restart by itself, and then yeah, it will just come back to its normal state or something. And then I also had apps freezing like Snapchat and then the YouTube app and then YouTube Studio app and then even WhatsApp. I'll just go to the application, especially Snapchat, and then I try even sending someone a snap, it just kicks me out, and then I try opening the app again and it's going to tell me the app has crashed, and force close the app or wait a little and it will just kick me out. So it happens a series of times, but for about 3 days now I've not yet seen anything like that. But I assume probably someone is actually facing that kind of bug somewhere. So in case maybe someone is facing that too, they should just try and then go back to stable Android 12, which I'm going to do on this phone. And also I found another bug which was between me switching from camera to video right here, and then when I send it to video the screen just go blank and the phone freezes and the UI is going to crash, and I'll just have to close it up and then the phone will just get back to normal. So it's something I wasn't really finding it very easy right here. Nothing was working when I go to this video section when I switch to camera, and I think Android 13 beta 1 is not really cool on the Pixel 6. I don't know for the Pixel 5, 5a, and then the 6 Pro because I only have the Pixel 6 with me. But I'm not sure it's very cool with anyone who is having the Android 13 beta 1. And if in case Google is actually watching this video, they should really take note of whatever we are reporting right here. So with this, I would have to restart the phone before it's actually going to be normal, or it's actually going to turn into the normal screen color we have. So I'm just going to do it right away for you to see, and everything's going to turn back to normal after I restart it. So, and I can't say you should install it and then you keep restarting your phone often when you're having this green screen right here, which is bad. So you can see I now have a normal screen and it will just reboot with a normal screen without a green screen. And aside that, I think Android 13 is not bad. It has good features, but I'm not gonna advise you to just install it on your daily driver. So you can see how my phone screen was, but it turned out to be very green, and you can see it right here. So I'm gonna uninstall this Android 13 beta 1, and then it will be very helpful if you give this video a like so that it spreads out to a lot of people, and then Google actually see it one way or the other, and then they get it sorted before the stable Android 13 is actually being released to the general public. So if this video was very helpful, just give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and then you can check out this video right here in case you want to know more about Pixel 6 or anything more about Android 12. And without further ado, I'm just going to catch you in the next video. Peace.